Bakit yung corned beef parang dilo to?
Ha?
Hindi ba talaga yan?
Siko. Diba?
Due to Narita International Airport in Narita, Chiba, Japan.
I'm so happy.
The start after Takasano is out of
So hi, right now I'm inside my hotel. So kakauwi ko lang from all the chaotic commute that I've been through, and ayun, nag-check-in na ako. Actually, I checked in kanina pa, but gumala muna ako again. Lumabas ako ulit just to, shake the stress off. And ayun, okay naman. There's a nearby outlet mall in this business hotel that I'm in. So ayun, so now I'm gonna show you the things that I bought at Lawson and all the other random stuff. So with me here is the famous Lawson spicy chicken, and I also bought takoyaki kanina, but apat na lang yung natira, so tinake out ko na lang because masyado siyang malaki and very tasty. And I also bought this red tea from Lawson. I don't know if it's a red tea or just just a basic tea that's color red. And then bumili rin ako ng chocolate just to, because everything here is very tasty, so just to wipe all the spices in my tongue. Okay. Later I'll do the room tour, but right now I'm just gonna taste everything that I've bought. So yeah. Okay, my chopsticks got broken, but it's okay. I can work with that. So this one is a takoyaki. No need for the sauce because I have tried this one. It's very tasty. Like super tasty. Let's put the sauce. Actually, this is just a basic mayonnaise. It's not even a QP. Oh. Now, so we're gonna test this one. It's the famous. Wow! Kakatikim ko pa lang ng spices niya. I see it's very promising. The Lawson chicken, as expected, is very tasty. Yeah. It's very tasty and masarap naman siya. Let me drink first. Okay. Iba-iba yung lasa na tinitikman ko. Now we move on to the other takoyaki. Sayang kasi kung ititira ko pa.
Hello.